in the heart of Romania, there is a mountain that feels like a fortress. This is Buila-Vânturarița, the smallest but wildest national park in the country. We begin our flight from Curmătura Builei, the high mountain pass, next to the small refuge. From here, you can see the true nature of this place. It's not a gentle, rolling mountain. It is a sharp, rugged crest of rock that dominates the landscape. On a gentle autumn day like this, the sun sets the forests on fire, but the mountain itself remains a giant of cold, white limestone. Today, we're flying over its fortress walls, seen from above. It's a sanctuary for eagles and wolves, a place where nature, not man, is still in charge. The autumn colors carpet the base, but the peaks remain raw and exposed. But deep within this wilderness, hidden in a valley, protected by the fortress of rock, lies a secret, a tiny perfect monastery, Fortress. This place is not easy to reach. It is a true hermitage, a bastion of faith in a sea of wild nature. Its very name, Fortress, means the pierced or the entered. Legend says it was founded in the 1700s by a captain who was hiding from his enemies and found shelter inside a massive hollow tree. He pierced the wilderness, and in gratitude, he built this monastery. It is a story of survival and a testament to the kind of faith that can only be found in total isolation. As we fly back over the ridges, the contrast is breathtaking. The cold, grey stone of the mountain against the soft, warm gold of the autumn forest. Buila-Vânturarița is a land of extremes. It is both a harsh fortress and a gentle sanctuary, a place where the wild world and the hidden world of faith exist side by side. Romania is full of these hidden gems. What should we explore from above next? Thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed this flight, consider subscribing.